Hey there, gamers and tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, your ultimate source for all things tech. Today, we've got something special for you, the Redragon K556 gaming keyboard. Whether you're a pro gamer or just looking for a solid office keyboard, this one might be your perfect match. Let's kick things off by talking about what truly makes the Redragon K556 stand out, its mechanical brown switches. These switches offer that satisfying tactile typing experience you crave, making every keystroke a delight. And if you're in a shared space, you'll be happy to know they're ever so slightly quieter, so you won't be bothering your colleagues or roommates. But wait, there's more. When it comes to customization, the Redragon K556 doesn't disappoint. It boasts 18 backlit modes, accessible with just a few key presses. Gaming can get intense, and that's why the Redragon K556 is built with N-key rollover. It means you can mash multiple keys simultaneously without any hiccups or missed commands. This keyboard is also designed with ergonomics in mind, ensuring you can game for hours without discomfort. Its full metal material with a matte finish texture not only feels premium but is also incredibly durable. Now, one of the standout features here is the self-designed and removable keycaps. Redragon has crafted custom keycaps that are slightly shorter, reducing the time it takes for your actions to register. Plus, they've even included a keycap puller for easy cleaning or customization. It's all about making the keyboard truly yours. Compatibility is crucial, and the Redragon K556 has got you covered. It plays nice with various computer systems, including Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, Mac OS X, Windows XP, Windows Vista, and more. So, no matter your setup, you can enjoy the perks of this fantastic keyboard. And here's the icing on the cake. The Redragon K556 gaming keyboard also boasts full anti-ghosting with its 104 standard keys. This means you get reliably accurate performance without any program errors, especially important during intense gaming sessions. The keyboard is also built like a tank, featuring a fully anodized aluminum frame with a brushed finish. Extreme durability ensures it can handle whatever you throw its way, making it a solid investment. Well, there you have it, a deep dive into the Redragon K556 gaming keyboard. It's perfect for both gaming and office use, thanks to its mechanical brown switches, customizable RGB lighting, and durable design. If you found this review helpful or have any questions about this impressive keyboard, please let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to UK Pro Reviewer for more tech insights. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, whether you're gaming or working, a great keyboard can make all the difference. Until next time.